Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to delete your Shopify account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. To delete your Shopify account, you must log in into your Shopify account and then click on settings and select plan. And now you have to click on deactivate. And before you go, review these steps to take before closing your store. You can read this article and now select a reason why you're deactivating your store or your Shopify account and click on continue. And now enter your Shopify account password and click on deactivate now. And after that, click on your profile and click on log out. So this was how we can delete our Shopify account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.